Hello, my name is Chad Shugart, founder of Innovative Farming Community. My project is to turn empty buildings into indoor farms, beginning with my family's 105,000 square foot former textile facility. I live in Fort Payne, Alabama, once the hosiery capital of the world, today housing over 3 million vacant square feet of manufacturing space. Existing buildings can be cleared of contents and repurposed into indoor farms. Reaching my campaign financial goal minimum will allow me to purchase my family's facility, construct one of 6 grow rooms in the 68,000 square foot open main floor, and establish preliminary conditioned storage and shipping areas in a portion of the 17,000 square foot basement. Reaching my campaign extended financial goal will allow me to construct all 6 grow rooms and complete all necessary areas. Please allow me to show you my trial operation, what I've accomplished to date, and how I need your support to take my project to the next phase. Indoor farming is currently expensive, and plants per square foot must be maximized. I started my trial process using the Omega Garden Volts Garden rotary growing system for this reason, and have also begun comparing flat, continuous flow systems using basil as my case study crop. My goal is to establish sterile production facilities with 0 points of human contact from seed to packaged product. Through proper placement of NASA-developed aeroside technology, heightened levels of food safety can be achieved. Seeds are planted into preformed rock wool propagation slabs and placed in darkness for 24 hours. Once seeds sprout and grow to desired maturity, they are ready to be loaded into their growing system. Nutrient is mixed from liquid concentrate to desired electrical conductivity and acidity levels, and thoroughly dispersed in a reservoir before being administered to plants. In the continuous flow system, sprouted plants and their propagation cubes are loaded into pre-drilled holes in 1-inch thick styrofoam paneling. Bottom tips of propagation cubes protrude through the styrofoam paneling, which allows roots to be suspended in continuously flowing nutrient. In the rotary system, propagation cubes are loaded into pre-soaked 3-inch rock wool grow blocks. Grow blocks are loaded into green grow block holders, then into the Volts Garden wheel. I have provided additional support to these plants by wrapping black plastic netting around grow block holders. Sprouted plants in their grow block assembly can now be loaded into the wheel, where they rotate continuously around the light source. Plants grow inward toward the light, while roots pass through the nutrient tray below at scheduled intervals. Plants grow under revolutionary iGrow induction lighting and can be grown to desired maturity. Clippings can be used in a variety of manners. Stronger stems can be placed in water to prolong life, or cut into pieces, dipped into rooting solution and inserted into 2-inch solid rock wool cubes for continued growth. Trays of plant clones are placed in humidity domes for 3 to 7 days. And when domes are removed, plant clones can again grow to desired maturity. Larger plants behind the dome were grown to maturity in this 8-foot table. When removed from the table, plants can be sold in the living form with reduced conditioning need and prolonged life. Harvested and sold fresh or used in any processed form. One major advantage to providing plants in the living form is energy reduction through decreased refrigeration needs. From storage and transportation through distribution and retail placement to the point of consumer acquisition, plants can thrive at ambient temperatures. At the end of the growth cycle, growing equipment is cleaned and ready to receive new plants as the cycle starts again. I continue working diligently to overcome my personal agricultural learning curve and indoor plant growth challenges. I have experienced initial and repeated success growing basil, but much work is needed to secure successful results on multiple crop types. Indoor farming can provide a protected and continuous source of food production with regulated weekly shipment quantities. Empty and underutilized building space exists in every city around the world that can be turned into indoor farms, providing work and food to people in surrounding areas. Human population on Earth is increasing faster than our current rate of food production. 80% of fresh food consumed in the USA is imported. Inconsistent weather patterns and availability of water continue to stress high-volume agricultural regions. Indoor farming is one industry capable of filling any existing building space in any geographical area, capable of providing adequate utility supply and human resources, reducing transportation distance. Nutrient-rich food produced from indoor farms can be freeze-dried and stored without refrigeration for 10+ years. Freeze-dried products reconstitute to near prior condition with the addition of water and can be used as dry mix in many prepared foods. Multiple greenhouses are currently carbon neutral, consuming as much or more carbon than they produce, and I believe indoor farms can be as well. I'm interested in exploring growing under hyperbaric conditions, where higher levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide are absorbed by plants in pressurized growth chambers, increasing growth rates and yield levels over atmospheric conditions by 100 to 300%, potentially allowing indoor farms to serve as carbon filters in selected areas around the world. Please support my project by pledging any amount you are able and sending my project link to everyone in your address book. Together, we can begin filling empty building space with an environmentally responsible industry, initiating a positive economic trickle-up effect while providing nutrient-rich food capable of enhancing life on Earth.